Felix here, Fed rate decision today. Now the world's expecting a pause, we're gonna get a pause, but the Fed's gonna try and convince you of the following. You need to watch out for two things here. One, they're gonna try and tell you that they're gonna possibly raise rates again in July. I'm sorry for the noise, I'm at an airport. That makes no sense, and the market isn't going to buy it, because if the data today supported another rate hike, why wouldn't you just do it now? Why would you wait till July? It doesn't make any sense. So the only reason they would hike again is if inflation was significantly to pick up, and none of the forecasts are showing that. Seems like a fairly unlikely scenario. So the lie they're going to try and tell us today will make no sense, and the market isn't going to believe it. The market's going to be happy about that. The real thing though, the second thing that you want to watch out for and that the market genuinely cares about, is the dot plot. The dot plot is each individual Fed president gets asked where do they see rates in the future, and that tells us how high they're likely to go and how long they're going to stay with the current 5%. So that's really what you got to watch out for. Sorry for the French announcements, last calls. If you're late for the flight, it's your fault. I appreciate you tuning in. There won't be a live today because I'm on a flight, but will cover later on live the Fed announcement, and I'll give you a summary of all the key facts. And I apologize for the noise, guys. Smack the subscribe button to make sure you get the update later on once we actually know what the Fed said, and I'll let you know all the key stuff that really matters and is going to move your stocks today. Thanks for watching.